Hello students, today our topic would be addition of like fractions. As and when we do the sums, we will come to know what like fractions are. Today we will try to do somewhere close to four sums, and then as and when we do the sums, we will get to know as to what are like fractions. So let's start by writing a fraction. Suppose I write 4 out of 11, and then I write down say 3 out of 11. Now if you look at it, uh, since the denominator in both the fractions are same, these kind of fractions are called like fractions. We have 4 by 11 and we have 3 by 11. This means suppose a particular thing has been divided into 8 parts. A person A gets 4 parts and the person B gets 3 parts out of the same 11. So over here, when we are adding them, what we give is we write down, we give the equal to sign, we write down 11, the same or the common denominator over here like this. Always remember one thing, we do not add the denominators. We don't write 11 plus 11. So what do we do is we just add down the numerators and we write down 7 upon 11. Your work is done. So let's go on and take another example, and let's say the number would be just randomly any fraction we can take 7 out of say 19, and 3 out of 19, and say uh, 5 out of 19. These are all like fractions. Why? Because the denominators are same. So what we need to do is we draw a line. We just write the common denominator 19 and we simply add the numerators over here, the given sum. So what do we do? We actually get 7 plus 3 is 10 and plus 5 is 15. 15 out of 90. Finish. My work is done. So do we go for another sum? Okay. Uh, let's do an interesting one. Say 6 out of 21. Then we take say uh, 10 out of 21, and say 5 out of 21. So how do we do this sum? Since the denominators are same, we simply write down the denominator over here 21. We don't write 21 plus 21 plus 21. We do not write this. And 6 plus 10 plus 5. And then this becomes how much? 21 out of 21. Now remember one thing, if I've divided a particular thing into 21 pieces or parts and I've given all the 21, that means if we reduce it, we get 1. 21 out of 21, we get 1. I hope you understood how to add like fractions. The last example, let's take another example, the last one. Say we take 13 out of say 29, and let's take 15 out of 29. So how do we do this sum? We give an equal to sign, we have the common denominator 29, we write down the numerators 13 plus 15 as it is given, and then we add it, we get 28 out of 29. My work is done. I hope you all have learned how to add like fractions, and wait for my next video where we are going to cover another topic with some more examples. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the session.